Hey, but Hidden Blessings family, it's Judy and I'm back, and I have some more hidden Christmas clearance. So these Fructis shampoo packs are ringing up for $4.99. They were 10 something. 603084072590. There's the green one, the orange one, 603084072620, and then the blue one, 603084072613. And y'all check your holiday blends. These were ringing up half off. Where's my... Oh, there it is. Oh, upside down, my bad. 7621113722277. Then I had this one that was ringing up for $5. 76211427342. These were ringing up for 89 cents. 03800024646. These were ringing up for $1.98. The pumpkin pie. 0380002232266. All of these were ringing up for $1. 721366024263. Frosted cookies. 7213660242270. Y'all can see those, so I'm not going to read them off. They're showing up pretty good. Then, let's see, dog bone flavored snacks. Zero 79100642786. These bras. No, it's the ticket that looks like this, or the tag. It's kind of like an oval shape, and they are ringing up $1. They're Secret Treasures. 0432139322256. Oops, there was gray, tan, black, pink. The bigger sizes were actually ringing up $3. 0432139322485. These are still ringing up at $7. Valentine's is coming up real quick. They already have it all out. 1955-6403-0300. These roaster pans, I actually got one last year for $2. They're ringing up half off. 0728675400067. And then the dog treats are ringing up $1.98. They're Blue Buffalo. 8402431413661. The big bags were also ringing up $1.98. Oh, that's upside down. I believe that's an 840243141357. And then these are ringing up for 75 cents. 073-621-094178. And that's what I have for you today. Oh, and these little lintels. Sorry. These little doors are ringing up for 50 cents. Oh. 03-9542-01-5916. So I helped y'all out in finding some more goodies. I will try to find you some more tomorrow. Have a blessed day.